Common issues with WorldPay integration can be frustrating and impact your business operations. But understanding the key concepts and best practices can help you overcome these challenges. Firstly, it is essential to understand the WorldPay payment gateway and its integration process. WorldPay is a popular online payment processing system that enables businesses to accept payments from customers worldwide. The integration process involves connecting your website or application to the WorldPay payment gateway, allowing you to process transactions securely. One common issue with WorldPay integration is incorrect payment tokenization. Payment tokenization is the process of replacing sensitive payment information with a unique token, ensuring secure transactions. To avoid this issue, ensure that you are generating and storing payment tokens correctly, following WorldPay's guidelines and best practices. Another common issue is incorrect configuration of the WorldPay payment form. The payment form is where customers enter their payment information, and incorrect configuration can lead to errors and failed transactions. To avoid this, ensure that you are using the correct payment form fields and that they are properly configured, following WorldPay's documentation and guidelines. Additionally, issues with SSL certificates and HTTPS connections can also impact WorldPay integration. SSL certificates and HTTPS connections are essential for secure transactions, and any issues with these can lead to errors and failed transactions. To avoid this, ensure that your website or application has a valid SSL certificate and that HTTPS connections are properly configured. Furthermore, issues with payment callbacks and notifications can also occur. Payment callbacks and notifications are essential for updating the status of transactions and ensuring that your system is aware of any changes. To avoid this, ensure that you are properly handling payment callbacks and notifications, following WorldPay's guidelines and best practices. To troubleshoot common issues with WorldPay integration, it is essential to check the WorldPay documentation and guidelines, as well as your system logs and error messages. This will help you identify the root cause of the issue and take corrective action. It is also recommended to test your WorldPay integration thoroughly, using test transactions and scenarios to ensure that everything is working as expected. In conclusion, common issues with WorldPay integration can be overcome by understanding the key concepts and best practices. By ensuring correct payment tokenization, configuration of the payment form, SSL certificates and HTTPS connections, and payment callbacks and notifications, you can ensure a smooth and secure payment processing experience for your customers. Remember to always follow WorldPay's guidelines and best practices, and test your integration thoroughly to ensure that everything is working as expected.